So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix WhatsApp PDF open option not showing problem. So first of all, after you open up now your mobile phone, close the WhatsApp and go to your settings. So after you open the settings of your mobile phone like this, then scroll all the way to down, go to apps. So after you open the apps like this, then now tap on this search at the top right side and then search for WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp like this. After you open the WhatsApp, now go to permissions. So from these permissions, all you have to do now, make sure to allow all the permissions. As you can see now, especially the permissions for the photos and videos. This one, make sure to allow the permissions for the photos and videos, location and microphone. So after you allow all the permissions like this now, so if you tap on it, just tap on this allow button. After you allow all the permissions, go back. So after you go back like this, then scroll all the way to down and tap on this storage. So in the storage now, clear the cache. So after you clear the cache, now close the settings. So after you close the settings, now go to your Play Store. After you open the Play Store, now go ahead and search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp like this now, so tap on the WhatsApp icon. So from there, you'll be able now to see update on your WhatsApp. After now you update your WhatsApp, from there, go ahead and try to open the PDF. From there, the option will be available for you. And that's it, guys.